The country is observing 7th Armed Force Veteran Day today. Chief of Defence Staff Lieutenant General Anil Chauhan, 3 service chiefs paid tributes at National War Memorial in New Delhi. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh said development is taking place in the country is only because country's borders are safe. Singh lauded whenever the country is needed, the brave hearts of Uttarakhand have displayed the indomitable courage and valor to protect the unity, integrity and sovereignty of the country. External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar has said India and the Global South not only have a common future but also a common past. He said India and the Global South shoulder burdens of colonial past even while face inequalities of the current world order. National Congress Party MP from Lakshadweep, PP Muhammad Faisal, has been disqualified from the Lok Sabha following his conviction in the case. The Mankar Sankranti festival is being observed across the country today. This day is dedicated to Lord Surya.